Hello everyone, my name is Ling Ming. In this video, I will introduce the backend development, deployment, and API integration work I did for our team project, Sun Protection. This project helps people better understand the link between UV exposure and skin cancer using data visualizations. Our team built a fully working website with a Vue front end and a FastAPI backend. I was mainly responsible for backend development, database integration, deployment, and connecting from frontend to backend. I used the FastAPI to build the backend service and created two main API endpoints. First one, temperature trends. This retrieves yearly max and mean temperatures in Australia and returns a line chart. Second one, cancer mortality. This collects annual skin cancer days data and returns a bar chart. Chart was joined using multiply and returned in SVG format, which the front end can display directly, although the database was deployed by a teammate on AWS RDS. I independently implemented the connection logic, wrote SQL query, handle exceptions, and use SQL Alchemy to manage database sessions. I also tested the connection before deployment to make sure everything worked properly. At the beginning of the project, I deployed a module called UVindex.py to get the real-time UV index data using the Open Weather API. But after reviewing the front-end design, I found that was easier and more efficient for them to call the API directly. So I decided not to include this module in the final version. For deployment, I hosted the backend on AWS EC2 and assigned an elastic IP, so the public address would stay the same even after reboots. I used Assistant to make the fast API service start automatically and set up a caddy to enable HTTPS access with my customer domain, futuremerban.xyz. However, I found that some school networks block .xyz domains. To solve this, I have configured a Cloudflare terminal, which provided a temperature HTTPS endpoints. This, so as you can see, this allowed the front end to fetch data successfully, even in the restricted environments. To ensure this project can still be sure in the future. So ensure to be sure in the future, even if the server goes offline. I record this video as a demo. This project was just a simple attempt. Thank you for your watching.